Hello everyone, my name is Ariel Licas, a web developer, and welcome to Try This If You Like channel. And today, I'm going to teach you how to create HTML using Notepad. But before we begin, I'd like you to invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel by simply clicking on the subscribe button so that you will be updated on the next video. Hope you like this video and you learned something. And if you're ready right now, let's get started.
Hello everyone, let's proceed on the tutorial. This is the first thing that we need to do. Yes. Is the doc type HTML and HTML. We need to put the HTML tag, and we have also the HTML tag. And we have to put also the head tag. Slash head tag. That's it. And title would be, and put the title here. Title will be my first web page using HTML. Notepad. Okay, then let's proceed. And we need to also to put the body tag. Okay, slash body. Okay, and then that's the format of HTML. We need to have this one HTML. We have the head and end of the tag, and we have the title, name of the page, and we have a body, and then we have the slash HTML tag. And between body and body tag, both are content. And today I'm going to show you how thing you need to know. First, we have the header. Header, highest one is H1 until H6. So we need to put, okay. This is my header. Okay, save it, then load it. Okay, you see, we have this small. This is my header. Then if we put another one, okay, then H2, and we need to add, and also the H2 here, and save it. You'll see, okay. So that's it. So let's make another one until H3, H4, till H6. Header till H5. Okay, this is my header. So H6. Okay, save it. Then let's refresh, see output. Okay, this is the small header, so that's it. H6. Okay. Then proceed to create. If we want to insert a paragraph, this is the syntax. Paragraph B and slash B, and this is a paragraph. Okay, that's it. So let's start to find output. Okay, so this is it. For example, if you want to emphasize the paragraph, let's put this strong, then strong. Let's find out. Okay. Then if we want to make this paragraph italicized, we need to put this code I, then slash I, and let's see the output here. Okay, see the changes on this. Okay, that's the paragraph. Then next, if we want to create the next paragraph, you can create the break tag. The break tag is, command is here, br slash, that's the break tag. And let's say we want to insert a photo. Okay. Source, the code for inserting a photo is img src equals, say, logo point png. If we base it on the folder here, so logo png. So we go back, then save it. Okay, let's go back and save it. Yeah, and okay, this is, so the photo is very big, so we need to lessen the size by putting the width. Let's say we put it 200, and the height is 100. Okay, see that? That's it. Then if we want to put a link on the image, let's say we want to insert a link on the image here. So the syntax will be a href equals to index. Say we want to put site HTML, then end with the end tag h as a. Then okay. Then if we want to, the output will be on the same page. We need to put the target cell. Okay, let's try. Notice when I click this one, the bottom, this link goes back to the same page because of this command. But if you want to put it on the separate tab, you need to put blank. Syntax will blank, target equals, save it. Then if you click on the, you notice that it went to another tab. So that's the purpose of the blank. Okay. Then proceed on, let's put break tag. Okay, slash break tag here. So let's put there. How to create an ordered list. Ordered list. This is how this is the syntax of the ordered list. You need to put OL. Okay. Then put li. So you want to put Apple. Then say it. Then put lemon. Save it. Okay, so we have an ordered list number. And if we want to make an ordered list, let's change ordered list. We have to change the OL to U. Okay, then save it. You see, An ordered list has a bullet point. Okay. Next, how to teach you how to create a table. Inserting a table. Syntax rule. Table slash table. Tr tag slash tr tag. Th for header. Say the name. Say name, for example, is country. For the table, another tr tag. So the name, sample name. Yeah. Country. Then insert another one. Copy this one. Say sound. Save it. C. Use a table. Then if you want to create forms, syntax will be form and cause URL of the link. Step. The method will be post and slash. If we want to create a register a login page. Say username. Username. Let's create a break tag. Let's create an input tag. Text. It would be blank. Let's create break tag. Then let's copy this. And let's change it to password. Password. And let's change password. And let's have also break tag here. And the bottom input equals to submit. Name would be the value. Let's see. Let's put a break tag after the see, this is a sample. Okay, already created it. Then the lastly, if you want to put styling on the page, you need to add some elements like style. Want to add color. Let's say we want to add color red. Okay. And let's the paragraph on the header. See, Then if you want to, let's say H2, you want to create as yellow, fresh. Then the next one, you want to hit blue. That's it. So basically, these are the most important basic HTML elements that you have to memorize. Okay, we have the HTML tag, the head tag, the title, the head, the body, and body slash HTML. Then the header, we have it from H1 to H6. Okay, then how to have a paragraph P. Okay, if you have to want to italicize, we need to put I, then I. If you have to emphasize a specific word on the paragraph, you need to add strong. Then if you want to insert a link on a specific photo, you need to put this href. And if you want to put it on a target on the next tab, you need to push underscore blank. Then we have to set the image also 200. We have also a height 100. And we have to know the break tag br/r. Then the ordered list ol /ol. Then an ordered list ul. And don't forget to put the end tag ul. And for the table, you have the end table. You put the tr, and also for the header th. And for the list, you have the td/td here. And for the form, you have to have this one form, and the form, the h1 label, and the input type. And for the text, sorry, I forgot, you have to put password. Okay. The name. Okay, that's the basic things that you need to, if you want to excel in your programming and your being a web developer, you need to memorize this HTML. Okay, thank you so much. That's it.